People sometimes face a problem. They actually memorize so many words every day. They try to get a good stock of vocabulary. But the problem happens after some days. They actually find one thing, that the vocabulary they have learned, they are forgetting those vocabulary one by one. So this kind of problem, once I used to face, how I actually overcome this problem, I will try to share that. Well, I once I used to practice vocabulary from English to Bangla, and when I go to talk with other people or in a video, I usually I used to think in Bangla and dub it into English, but I used to practice the vocabulary from English to Bangla. So sometimes I used to face that when I go for talk, I can't remember the word that I want to express instantly. So I started to think how I can overcome this problem. Then I realized it might be the problem in practicing. So I brought some changes in my practicing vocabulary. I started to practice the vocabulary from Bangla to English, but previous times I used to practice from English to Bangla. So I practiced from Bangla to English like 1 month, and after 1 month I got the result. So I will suggest everyone to practice vocabulary from Bangla to English, because if we practice the vocabulary from Bangla to English, we can catch the word that we want to express instantly. So this might be one method to practice vocabulary. And if we practice from Bangla to English, I think the vocabulary will keep in our mind for a long time. Then we have to do one more thing to practice vocabulary and to keep those vocabulary for a long time in brain. We have to practice the vocabulary by writing sometimes, like it might be twice in a week, and or thrice in a week. We can take a pen or pencil and practice the vocabulary by writing. So if you do that, if you do these two process, I think we can keep vocabulary for a long time in our brain. So I think these two methods will help us a lot, and if we practice these two methods, we will be very much helpful to keep vocabulary. Thank you.